Please, I wanted all of you, wherever you are, to execute it. Look at Kenya as a country currently being manipulated by people we call international justice court about Kenya and Somalia. And you see, I can tell you the way I know the colonialists, they have connived themselves with part of the other African countries to deprive Kenya of its territorial right. And this is why I am appealing to all my Kenyan leaders. Do not cede the ground. And I can see a hand of colonialists in the case of Somalia against Kenya. Why do I say so? I am seeing a hand of Britain in the oil field, and do research. I've given you a hint. But I want to warn the developed countries also to know this thing. By the way, have you ever wondered, in actually normal life, the fittest are always taken that they will survive. In evolution, of course, the fittest are deemed to survive. But in nature, we always say anything which is of hunting, naturally, for the resources which the people or the things in the jungle rely for nourishment, nature will pluck the predator out because it is offsetting the balance. I am convinced those who think they are the fittest, especially from the developed world, thinking that they will survive, they will suffer the same fate of nature. Because they are overhunting resources where other fellow world men rely on nourishment. They are predators. Nature will pluck them out because they are depleting resources which others rely for nourishment for the sake of balancing nature. Be warned, developed countries. Thank you, friends, for listening.